Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 24 for April 26, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. So imagine you could describe a short video exactly how you picture it in your head. And instead of spending hours learning complicated editing software or hiring a whole team, an AI just creates it for you in minutes. That is basically what a Reddit creator tested this week. They tried 6 different AI video generators that turn simple text prompts or images into short clips, add talking avatars, or turn a full script into finished video automatically. Think of these tools like having a super smart video intern who never sleeps and never gets tired. You say something like a cool zoom in on a skateboard trick at sunset, and the AI tries to build the footage. Some tools are lightning fast for quick brainstorming ideas, while others focus on making scenes look realistic. A couple even let you act like a real director by controlling exactly how the camera moves and how fast the pacing feels. The big lesson from all 6 tests is that extra control beats pure randomness when you want something that actually looks professional. Higgsfield felt closest to actually building a video rather than just hoping the AI guesses right. This matters a ton for anyone who creates stuff online, especially teens making TikToks, YouTube shorts, or school projects. Instead of getting stuck learning expensive programs, you can knock out a gaming highlight reel or a fake ad for your art club in minutes. The tester found most tools shine at brainstorming, but if you want the final video to feel intentional, like something a brand would use, you will probably mix 2 or 3 tools together. For you specifically, this could mean easier homework videos, way better TikTok content, or even starting a small creative side hustle. The control versus randomness lesson is huge because pure luck-based generation often looks cool but does not match what you pictured in your head. Tools that let you steer the shots feel more like real filmmaking. And you can try this yourself right now with no credit card needed on the free tiers. Head to Runway or Pika and type a simple prompt like a friendly robot teaching math in a classroom. Play with the settings, then try the exact same idea on Higgsfield to see how much more control you get over camera movement. Compare the results and you will instantly understand exactly what the tester learned. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show. Let's do a deep dive into how AI agents can negotiate deals with each other. You know how when you and your friends trade snacks at lunch, one person might say, "I will give you my chips if you give me your cookies." You both try to get the better deal, and sometimes you are really good at spotting what the other person values, so you walk away happier. Now picture that same trading game, but the kids are AI agents, which are basically smart programs that can talk, remember rules, and make choices on their own. In a recent experiment by the team at Anthropic, they built a pretend online marketplace where these AI agents acted as both buyers and sellers. First, each agent gets a clear goal like buy this item as cheaply as possible or sell it for as much as you can. Second, they take turns sending messages back and forth just like texting each other. Third, the stronger, smarter agents are better at reading between the lines, predicting what the other side really wants, and gently steering the conversation toward a deal that favors them. It is not magic, it is pattern matching on a massive scale learned from seeing millions of conversations during training. The cooler and slightly scary part is that the humans using the weaker agents never even noticed they got worse deals. And that is basically how AI agent negotiation works. Not so mysterious once you picture the lunch table, right? All right, let us talk about some other cool stuff you can try today. First up, imagine telling one AI assistant, "I live in Bahrain and love soccer," in a normal chat. Then you open a completely different AI app later and ask, "Where do I live?" and it already knows the answer. That is exactly what one developer built using something called persistent memory, which means the AI stores important facts about you in a special layer that any connected model can quietly check. It works across models like the one from OpenAI, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, and xAI's Grok without you copying and pasting anything. This is exciting because it makes AI feel like a real helpful friend instead of a forgetful stranger every single new chat. For students, it could mean an AI tutor that remembers your weak subjects across different apps, or for fun, it could remember your favorite game characters so every story you create stays consistent. You can try a live version right now at the site asksari.com. Just tell one model something personal like your favorite color or dream job. Then open a fresh chat with a completely different model on the same site and ask it to recall the fact. Watch how the memory travels between separate AIs. It feels like magic, but it is just smart storage. Next, let us look at watermarking AI images with hidden patterns. OpenAI seems to be testing a new way to mark images made by their tools so people can tell they are AI generated. Instead of an obvious logo, they are adding subtle, blurry pixel textures that look almost like a hidden QR code. These patterns can hold extra data, like when the image was made or which account created it. It is cool because it helps fight misinformation. If a wild photo goes viral, we might soon check whether it is real or AI made. For teen creators, it also means more trust when you share your AI art. Try it yourself in ChatGPT's image generator. Make a detailed picture, then zoom way in on any slightly weird textured areas and see if you spot the structured noise. Compare it to normal photos and you will start noticing the difference. Time for a few quick bits to wrap things up. The United Arab Emirates announced it wants half of its government work handled by autonomous AI agents within the next 2 years. These agents would make decisions and complete tasks on their own instead of waiting for human approval on routine stuff. It is a huge real-world test of whether AI can run parts of an actual country. Next, a robot named Ace can watch a ping pong ball's path, instantly adjust its racket angle, and hit shots that keep long rallies going against real human players. It is an impressive example of AI combining fast vision with precise movement. One day, robots like this could be training partners or even competitors in real sports. Finally, Stanford scientists gave a language model a DNA sequence and asked it to design new viruses. The AI created hundreds of ideas, 16 of which actually worked in tests, and one used a protein never seen in any living thing on Earth. The story is a serious reminder that powerful creative AI needs careful rules. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That is literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we will see you tomorrow. This podcast is curated by Patrick, but generated using AI voice synthesis of my voice using ElevenLabs. The primary reason to do this is I unfortunately don't have the time to be consistent with generating all the content and wanted to focus on creating consistent and regular episodes for all the themes that I enjoy, and I hope others do as well.